Premier Truck Group, one of North America's largest Freightliner and Western Star dealership groups, is focused on providing customers a consistently superior sales and service experience. To ensure we can successfully deliver on this pledge, Premier Truck Group employs an exclusive business practice called One Network Executing. Each year, Premier Truck Group identifies a set of One initiatives that are aimed at improving our business in the areas of employee experience, operational excellence, and customer experience. We realize that our employees are our #1 asset. By recruiting the most talented team members, providing them with the industry's best training and resources, and acknowledging and rewarding their achievements, we can bring a level of expertise and commitment to our customers that is unparalleled. With numerous locations throughout North America, it's imperative that our customers receive the same exceptional service no matter where they are. Our operational excellence initiatives focus on investments in modern facilities, high-tech diagnostic equipment, the latest in computer technologies, responsive communication, and highly skilled personnel. We realize that our customers are at the core of our success. With initiatives centered around employee experience and operational excellence, we believe an exceptional customer experience will follow. To ensure we're delivering on our pledge, our team members proactively reach out and gather feedback from customers. Premier Truck Group, we are One Network Executing to provide the best employee experience, operational excellence, and customer experience in North America.